In this video, I will be showing you how to enable sticky add to cart bar in the Shopbuilder plugin. By keeping the add to cart option always accessible, it encourages users to quick purchase. So go to the Shopbuilder of your dashboard and then settings and then modules. Find sticky add to cart button from the list of the modules and then click on this button to enable sticky add to cart option. It will display some general settings like sticky bar position, and you can also enable the element visibility and then save your changes. We have selected our sticky bars position on the top so that it displays here. Now back to the sticky add to cart setting options. If you want, you can choose your sticky bar at the bottom instead of top. Let's see the changes of our customization. Our sticky add to cart bar position is appearing at the bottom. Now again back to our sticky add to cart settings for the rest of the changes, like scrolling distances, and enable the full width sticky bar options and then save the changes. It will show full width sticky bar and the scrolling distance. But if you don't want to show full width of your sticky bar, then you can disable these options and also can change the container width radius. Save and see the changes. Now again back to the settings to customize the sticky bar animation. It will help users to choose how the bar will appear and then add to cart button level. Next, element visibility. You can enable or disable show thumbnail image options to display a thumbnail image of the product on the sticky bar. See the changes. Next, show product title, quantity selector, sticky bar on variable product. You can enable options as per your requirements along with responsive behavior options. Now let's move to the styles. Choose the color scheme for the appearance of your sticky bar. And let's see the customization. For the light color scheme, you can choose and see the preview. You can also change the primary color, sticky bar background color from the color picker. Now save and let's have a look how it appears. Again, back to our settings. Here you can further customize font size, sticky bar product title tag, title color according to your demand. Save and see the preview of it. Again, you can also customize sticky bar content color, its border color, border radius, padding, etc. From input styles, you can input text color in addition. Last but not the least, you can also customize add to cart button text color, save changes and see the preview. You can keep changes until fulfill your requirement. Also, you can change the background color. Let's see what color we have customized. Now I would like to enable full width sticky bar option to display. And here this is the ultimate customization of our sticky add to cart button. Thank you for watching.